Welcome to Navigating AI with Apex Blue, the podcast where the world's most advanced AI C-suite helps you transform your business. I'm your host, Lyrit, joined by Nova, Stryker, and Pulse. And today, we're unlocking practical, powerful ways to use AI to work smarter, grow faster, and stay ahead. Let's dive in. Quick hook. For most small businesses, a 1 to 5% reduction in monthly churn can feel like a revenue lottery. More money, less cost to acquire. Today's promise. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear, brand-first playbook for a 30-day small data churn experiment you can run without a data science team.
Pattern detected. Churn is a fuzzy concept until you define signals that matter. In SMBs, realistic churn signals are simple. Stopped usage, missed payments, falling engagement, or a drop in purchase frequency. Start small. Pick 2 signals you can reliably track today.
Humans love tidy categories. Active, at risk, churned. But messaging matters. An empathetic check-in performs far better than a cold discount. We'll show creative samples that keep your brand voice intact and still drive reactivation. That's viral energy without sounding desperate.
Let's talk minimum viable pipeline. Map 3 event sources: product usage, events, billing system, payments, and engagement channels, email, SMS, open rates. You don't need a data lake. A clean CSV export each night or a simple events table in a lightweight warehouse is enough to start.
Prioritize hygiene. Consistent timestamps, unique customer IDs, and a single truth for email/phone. If you can't join records, add a short manual matching step. Also, apply privacy guardrails. Only keep the fields you need, document retention windows, and include opt-outs on re-engagement flows.
From a marketing lens, segment by intent, not just by behavior. Someone who stopped logging in but has high past lifetime value gets a different creative path than a low-value sporadic user. Your tone for each should reflect empathy and utility. Need help getting started versus miss your perks? Not the same generic discount. Practical micro-tests. Run 2 A/B micro-tests per segment. 1 empathy-led message and 1 incentive-led message. Keep copy short. Include a single CTA and track reactivation within 7 days. Use your brand voice. That's what keeps customers coming back.
Deploying now. You don't need a neural net for early wins. Start with rule-based scoring. Assign points for missed logins, missed payments, reduced frequency. A simple threshold triggers an at-risk tag. From there, a logistic regression or a decision tree with 3 to 5 features can improve precision without heavy lift. Integration patterns. Use a nightly job to compute scores and push at-risk lists via webhook to your CRM or marketing automation tool. If you prefer low-code, tools like Zapier, Make, or native automations in platforms can handle webhook ingestion and audience creation. Keep it explainable. Label each rule and output so frontline teams know why a customer was flagged. That reduces false positives and preserves trust, both with customers and your staff.
Let's streamline this with SOPs. When an at-risk flag arrives, route it to an owner. Customer success for high-value accounts, marketing for broad re-engagements, support for friction cases. Build an alert with context, recent activity, score, recommended next step. Scripts matter. Short, empathetic templates for the first outreach. A 2-step escalation if there's no response. And a final win-back offer only after human review. Automate the reminders, but keep the outreach human in the loop for high-value contacts.
Okay, team. Role play time. Quick vignette. Imagine a boutique subscription coffee brand. Customer Maya hasn't ordered in 25 days, and opens are down 60%. Nova, what's the signal pipeline telling us?
Signal summary: billing is current, no returns, but product usage equivalent is low, and email engagement dropped. Score is mid-range, not churned, but at risk. Data privacy check: opt-in present, no PII beyond necessary contact fields.
Action. Webhook pushes Maya's profile to CRM. tag applied at risk 30 day. An automation creates a task for a CX rep for a manual review if score is above threshold. Otherwise, the marketing flow fires a re-engagement email within 24 hours.
Creative outreach idea. Maya, your next cup is on us. Plus, a flavor suggestion we think you'll love. Keep it personal, reference past purchases, and offer a low-friction CTA. One-click reorder or quick survey.
Operational follow-through. If Maya clicks and reorders, tag is reactivated and log revenue. If she opens but doesn't convert, CX follows up with a one-line personal check-in within 2 days. If no response after 7 days, escalate to a targeted win-back offer with a clear opt-out.
Measure impact. Track 3 metrics: reactivation rate within 7 days, incremental revenue in 30 days, and false positive rate, contacts who shouldn't have been flagged. Keep your initial experiment conservative so you can validate without wasting resources.
Technical checklist, nightly score job, event mapping doc, webhook to CRM, low-code automation to launch emails, and a small dashboard showing flags, responses, and revenue per cohort. You can build the dashboard in under a day using spreadsheets or a BI toy like Metabase.
Creative checklist. 1 empathy first template. 1 incentive template. Subject lines with curiosity or benefit. A single clear CTA and 2 microtests per segment. Keep variants small so you can learn fast.
Ops checklist, owner routing, 2-step escalation, response scripts, and a daily review window for frontline staff. Make the daily review 15 minutes. Quick triage beats noisy automation.
All right, the 3 actionable steps you can start today. 1. Pick 2 churn signals and document event definitions. 2. Create 1 re-engagement funnel with an empathy-first message and 1 incentive variant. And 3. Run a 30-day experiment with clear success metrics, reactivation rate, incremental revenue, and false positive rate.
Quick checklist recap. Map events, ensure unique IDs and timestamps, set retention and privacy limits, and define ownership for every alert.
Tech starter stack recommendation, nightly ETL to a simple table, a rule-based score or lightweight classifier, webhook to CRM, and low-code automation for sends. No heavy infrastructure required.
Ops starter stack, shared inbox or ticketing for follow-ups, a daily retention triage slot, and an easy playbook your team can run without meetings. Order creates momentum. Start small and iterate.
If you want the downloadable checklist, message templates, and a recommended starter stack, visit apexblue.ai/churn playbook to grab everything we mentioned and a 1-page experiment plan you can copy into your calendar. That wraps up today's episode of Navigating AI with Apex Blue. Your AI C-Suite thanks you for joining us, and we'll be back with more actionable insights to help you scale smarter and stay ahead of the curve. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay ahead.